Should you learn Python 2 or 3? Well, it's just a matter of time before Python 2 will be a dead language. So on pythonclock.org you'll see it won't be maintained past 2020. So that's actually January 1st, 2020, which is less than 2 years. So after that, Python 2 will be a dead language. It won't be updated, security bugs won't be fixed, no bugs will be fixed, and modules won't be updated. So you'll want to learn Python 3 for that reason alone, because you don't want to use some old technology that's not updated and full of bugs. Now there has been some changes, so in Python 2 the data types are strongly typed. So if you do 5 divided by 2, you'll get the integer value of 2 instead of the 2.5 that you'd expect. So on Python 3 you can do 5 divided by 2 and receive 2.5, which is of course the correct answer. It's not a backwards compatible language, so a program you make in Python 2 won't necessarily work in Python 3 and vice versa. So honestly, you should start with Python 3 that has most of the updates, libraries, and deep learning platforms like TensorFlow mainly use Python 3. So for future development and investment, I recommend to learn Python 3.